Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Chavan. So today date is 20 November 2021. So today our video topic is what is static keyword in Java. So static keyword in Java, which is used for memory management only. We can apply static keyword with variables, methods, and block and nested classes. So static keyword um, belong to the classes and then instance of the class. So static keyword can be variable, it is known as a class variable, method, so it is known as a static class method, and blocks and nested classes. So we'll be discuss one by one. A static variable. So static, if you declare any variable as a static, it is known as a static variable. So static variable, it is used for refer to the common property of all the objects. It is known as a static variable, and which is not which is not a unique for each objects. So for example, class name, college name of a student, and company name of a employee. Static keyword gets memory only once, and only once in the class area and method area at the time of a class loading. So um, class um, variable, static variable. So next one is a static method. So static method we can apply with the static keyword with any method. It is known as a static method. So static method belong to the class, and then rather than object of object of the classes. So next one is a blocks. Block is a block we can apply with the static keyword with the block, which is known as a static block. And next one is a nested classes. Static nested classes we can apply with the inner classes. um, it is known as a static nested classes. So we can't use the top of the class as a static keyword. uh, we but we can use we can we can use the static keyword in the inner classes. It is known as a static nested classes. This is all about the static keyword. So thank you.